Can you get a juicy, crispy fried turkey without oil? Well, let's find out. So it's the 4th of July. We're having some people over tonight. So it's the fireworks. We're going to do something a little untraditional today. We're frying a turkey. But we're not going to use oil. We're going to try this out. It's a little 30-quart oilless turkey fryer. Pretty much seems to me, I've never used it before, but it seems like a giant air fryer. So we're going to see if we can get the crispy skin, keep the juiciness. Will it be better than a deep fried turkey? We're about to find out. First, we're going to pat that turkey dry, and we're going to start the injection. I'm using a Creole butter, the store-bought. Stick it in the breast, and I like to pull the needle out a little as I'm pushing the plunger down, make sure that that injection gets all in the meat. We're going to do the whole bird like this. Don't forget any parts of the bird. We're going to get it in that leg, get it in the thigh, get it in the wing. I like to move it around to make sure we spread that injection out so it's all not just stuck in one spot. Next, we're going to season it with no sugar rub so the sugar doesn't burn. We're using Meat Church Blanco today. Give it a nice peppery, salty, savory flavor. So I was preheating this infrared cooker for probably about an hour. And we just drop it in, leave the top off, and we'll see what happens. We're starting to get some good color on it. You can see the heat coming out of the top there. Sizzling pretty good. Now, after about 4 hours, we've hit 165 in the breast. I put the top on it to try and crisp that skin up. Supposedly that mesh top reflects the heat down, makes it hotter in there, so that crisps the skin. We'll find out how we did. Looks gorgeous. Look at that color. Put foil on the legs so they didn't burn since that was close to the heat source. But here we go. Let's break this bird down, see what happens. Well, we didn't achieve that crispy skin I was looking for, and I think I know why. I probably should have put the lid on maybe a little sooner than I did. Maybe when the bird hits about 130. But look at that juice, that Creole butter just dripping out of there. So may not have got crispy skin, but man, we nailed the juiciness, I'll tell you that. I mean, look at that juice and that butter just dripping out of this thing. I cannot wait to taste this. But here we go. Moment of truth. Grab a little white meat, and it's definitely juicy. Let's grab some of that dark meat. Well, everybody's here. We're just waiting for it to get dark. Got a nice spread here. The turkey's amazing. It's juicy and savory, and that butter just explodes in your mouth. Happy 4th of July. So let's recap. Pat the bird dry. Inject it with that delicious butter. Season it up. Drop it in the cooker. Slice it up at 165 and enjoy. Well, we may not have hit that crispy skin, but the juiciness, 10 out of 10. The flavor was absolutely on point. Check out some of my other videos. I got some cool experiments coming up. And as always, keep making bacon.